Hello, we're going to try to do a simulated constant rate poly using a Satloc G4 and the Reabe Smart Gate. So I got the Satloc out here in a simulator. It's just flying in a circle to hold us for now. I have a job file already transferred onto the Satloc. I'll load it in a bit here. We're going to power up the gate. We're going to accept the sensor. We're sitting on the ground. We're going to say this is a new chemical. We don't know yet, but from our little black book, we know it's a 1-inch opening we need. So we're going to take 3,000 pounds on board this time. We'll enter and accept that. Now we're going to go inside here. That's the speed button. We'll set our target at a 1-inch opening and a speed that we're supposed to be going of 150 miles an hour. Okay. Next thing we need to do is turn on inside here to do an auto on off. So that's menu, we cycle over, auto on off, turn it on. When we accept it, we get the 3 green lights. We now know we're inside auto on off and it's armed. We want to leave the switch in the gate closed position till we're about ready to enter the field the first time. Now I'm going to simulate flight. Aircraft would automatically switch into flight mode once it breaks ground. On this thing, I gotta trick the sensors. So now we're up flying. We can see our screens change. We got our target opening at 1-inch, loads of 1. Inside the GPS, again, we could have done this on the ground. We're going to go inside keypad, info, jobs. We're going to select the job we want, and we're going to accept it. There's our job we're going to have. Now we're going to go inside keypad, info. We can see we are set up for a constant rate poly. We're dry. Our target rate, 100 pounds per acre. And now we go inside setup, and auto boom, yes. Okay, now I'm going to line us up for a pass here. And target the aircraft. And again, as we approach the field, we'll get ready. Right before we dive in, open the gate, and that starts going. And then when we go to exit the field, show close. Again, we recommend disarming. That way, if you fly over another poly, it doesn't automatically open on you. We'll turn around here. Again, we need to arm when we enter. I do not recommend spraying in this process of zigzags. And when we exit, we can start our turn, disarm. Again, reason for the disarm is so that then if we inadvertently are setting up for a trim pass and fly over a field or a neighboring poly, we don't accidentally turn our gate on. That should be enough to get you set up and start to run some poly files for the Satloc. Thank you.